North and South comparisons. At first glance, the South seemed to be no match for the North in the Civil War. 23 states remained in the Union after secession. The Confederacy was made up of only 11 Southern states. Approximately 21 million people lived in the North, compared with some 9 million in the South. 4 million of those 9 million people in the South were enslaved. Additionally, the North was the site of more than 100,000 manufacturing plants. There were only 18,000 factories south of the Potomac River, a dividing line between the North and the South. More than 70% of the nation's railroads were in the Union. In some, the Union could make more war supplies and transport them more easily. The Union also had functioning government and a small but efficient regular army and navy. The Confederacy was not guaranteed to lose. However, though the Southern armies were smaller, they were also more mobile. Many soldiers and leaders had a lot of military experience. Moreover, the long Confederate coastline of 35,000 miles was hard to blockade. There was simply too much coast to block foreign aid from coming to the South. This gave the Confederate President Jefferson Davis hope that he could survive off an international support from countries that sympathized with the Confederacy and wanted to buy Southern cotton.